Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for a fast, secure, and lightweight VPN solution, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up a WireGuard server and configure it on an Android device using the WireGuard VPN client. WireGuard is a cutting-edge VPN protocol designed for speed, efficiency, and strong security. It ensures your online privacy while using minimal system resources. Stay tuned as I guide you through the entire process step by step. First, open any web browser on your device and visit the custom UDP website. This site provides free WireGuard VPN servers that you can use to establish a secure connection. Once you're on the home page, locate the hamburger menu in the top corner and tap it to expand the options. Scroll down and select WireGuard VPN server. Now you'll see a simple account creation form. Fill in the required details. Enter a username of your choice. If needed, input a valid SNI, server name indication, or leave it blank if it's not required. Check the reCAPTCHA box to verify you're human. Finally, click Create Account. After submitting, the server will generate your WireGuard credentials. Next, we need to download the configuration file. Once your account is created, look for the WireGuard config label on the page and click it. This will download the configuration file for your new WireGuard server. Wait for the download to complete and then proceed to the next step. Now, let's move to your Android device. Head over to the Google Play Store and search for WireGuard VPN. Download and install the official WireGuard VPN app. Once the installation is complete, open the app to access the home screen. With the app open, look for the plus icon in the bottom right corner and tap it. From the menu, select Import from File. Navigate to your Downloads folder and find the WireGuard configuration file you downloaded earlier. Tap to import it into the app. Important: if the file has a .txt extension at the end, e.g. wgconfig.conf.txt, you need to rename it and remove the .txt extension before importing. Otherwise, the app might not recognize the file. If you need to make adjustments, tap on your server profile inside the WireGuard app. Then, click the pencil icon in the top right corner to edit the settings. Under Endpoint, add a valid SNI before the WireGuard server address if required. Once done, tap Save to update your settings. Everything is set up. Now it's time to activate your VPN connection. On the WireGuard app home screen, tap the radio button next to your server profile. The connection will be established, and you'll now be securely connected to the internet on VPN. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tech guides and tips. For detailed tutorials, check out my blog and stay connected for the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.